The two-pot is just around the corner, and in this video, we're talking about the withdrawals and the deductions that can happen from withdrawals, specifically when it comes to divorce and things like that. Hi, my name is Yolanda. I'm a wealth advisor. Thanks for joining me today. It is my goal on this platform to give you easy, actionable tips, content, and strategies that you can use to manage money well, to live abundantly, and build generational wealth. So today, we're talking about a very important aspect of withdrawing from your savings pot when the new two-pot system kicks in. It might have already kicked in by the time you're watching this video. Now, it's important for you not to overlook some of these aspects because it could affect the amount that you would receive when you're attempting to withdraw. Now, it's very important for you to understand how these deductions will work and how it will affect you and your withdrawal. Now, these deductions could include things like housing loans that were provided by the fund or work, or even guarantees on housing loans as well. And divorce orders and maintenance orders can all affect your withdrawal from your retirement savings pot. So when a fund pays out benefits, it must first account for these deductions before anything hits your account. For example, if there's a court order for a divorce settlement, it will prioritize the court over your withdrawal needs. Now, you need to imagine this your savings pot. See it as a pie. And before you can take a slice of the pie, all the deductions have to be settled first. If there isn't enough to cover both the deduction and your withdrawal request, your request may be denied. So when you are filling out your withdrawal form, be prepared to answer such questions. You might be asked if there's a pending divorce order or maintenance order. These questions will ensure that all the necessary payments are made before your withdrawal can be processed. All right, so this applies to existing divorce orders and maintenance orders, and also pending divorce orders and maintenance orders as well. This is why it's important to be fully aware of your financial obligations that might affect your withdrawal. So understanding these details can save you from unexpected surprises and ensure that your withdrawal process goes smoothly. If you have any further questions, or if you need further clarification on this aspect regarding deductions from your savings pot, I'd love to chat to you one-on-one. Click the link where you're watching this video, or drop me an email. It's Yolanda at Financially Fabulous Females, and I will get back to you.